Hello guys, hello traders, MJ crypto community. Welcome back again to the channel. This is BTC USDT and I'm going to be dropping this analysis real quick, starting from the daily time frame actually. All right, starting from the daily time frame down to the 4 hours and possibly figuring out where exactly we are at the current stage of the market, right? Good. So this is the BTC chart and this is actually the daily time frame, as you can see. And I'm going to actually show us a clear example of what the market is saying currently. Remember, the weekly time frame shows you the main trend, while the daily time frame shows you um, the current bias price movement. And then I'm going to scale down to the 4 hours right now. Okay, so now we're at the 4 hours and this is what it is. I'm going to actually just plot out something within the internal structure. You can see the trend line represented in blue is showing the external structure. All right, the external point of view. So right now we'll have trend line. I'm going to represent this in let's say a different color. Let's put this in red or in and just leave it as black. All right, and just leave it as black, and then so that you can easily just understand everything that we're doing, right? Good. So from this point here, have our trend, have a trend line right from here, sitting just right there. Okay. Good. Now we have a trend sitting right there, and it's connecting perfectly. You can see it. It's connecting really perfectly. And yeah, this is what it is now. So we have the 4-hour time frame showing us a symmetrical triangle, and this symmetrical triangle is within the external structure. So in other words, it's internal. Now we can see clearly where we have something like a break of structure occurring here, most definitely to the upside. I'm just going to put it right here so that everyone can see. All right, so this is it, BOS. So have a break of structure occurring there. So what that means is that as it is right now, price of BTC may likely go up to clear out all the liquidity sitting above this area. We have liquidity sitting here. We have stop losses of retail traders who believed that when price hits this resistance, this trend line, price was going to come down. They also believed that when price hit here, it was going to come down. But little did they know that there was high volume in the market that would be able to drive the price high. And there came this big bullish candle you can see. I'm going to plot the volume indicator very soon so that you see all these things as it is, right? Good. So our next target would be no, definitely price is going to come back to fill this other block here, if not filling the other block, but at least coming down to 50%. So let me plot my fib retracement tool right now. I'm going to plot that right now. Look for that, take the lows to the highs, and try to figure out where price will likely fall down to. You get it? So we should be looking at this axis. Let me just draw a line right there so that just draw a line right there. Yeah, so that can just map that out as a zone, or Yeah, as a zone. So we can see we have this. So I'm going to take out my tracement tool off. So when price comes here, let's make this thicker. So invariably we're expecting price to come down. This is live. I'm showing you guys right now. This is live. This is not a pre-recorded video. You can see the price is actually ticking. This is happening real time, guys. All right, so we expect price to come down to fill probably maybe some part, because price left an imbalance, so we're expecting price to probably fill up to more than 50% of the imbalance. So price gets here, fair enough, good, and then we should expect a bounce somewhere around here, or the other block sitting just right here. All right, sitting just right here. Now let me just draw that, and just make that very clear and simple. Yeah, somewhere around here. So when price comes back to fill that demand, we should expect a push to the upside. Now that push, where should we target? That is the next question. That's a big question I believe a lot of you would ask me right now. Where should we target? Where is the next target? Now don't forget that the price of BTC currently, the overall trend, is still bearish. All right, still bearish. So we should be expecting lower prices, most definitely. And don't forget, on the 4-hour time frame, we had a break of structure somewhere around here. All right, let me just put this back into line and then put this in context. This is a break of structure, and the supply that caused that push should be somewhere around here. Somewhere around here. Yeah, got it right. Got it right. Got it right. Got it right. Amazing, isn't it? So all of these retail stop losses most likely be taken out. All of these retail stop, all of them be taken out. I mean all of them. But to be safer, you could target this first swing high here. We could target that and make that our TP1. Target that and just make that TP1. Just make this take profit 1, and we should expect price to come here to take out this. So I'm going to say TP1, take profit 1. I'm going to leave that in the middle. Okay, so that should be our take profit 1. Now what's the price at that particular range? It's 27,700, around that axis. So price should come right here, 27,600. Yeah, 27,600. We should expect a take profit at this zone from here, where we are right now. So there should be TP1, and we can come here and say, take profit 2. Come there and say take profit 2, and then so we can come there and say take profit 2. We should be around 28,200 around this axis, and then we could come right here again. If everything goes as planned, come right there again and say this should be our take profit 3, because here is the major swing point. Okay, here's a major swing point. So we should be looking at say about 29,000, but I doubt if price may come back here. All right, I really do doubt if price could come to this take profit level. But anyway, I'm going to call this take profit 3. So let me just edit that real quick. All right, so yeah, so we'll have our TP1 at 27,600, TP2 at about 28,200, TP3 at about 29,400. If everything goes as planned. Remember, this is actually the internal structure. This is the internal structure playing out right now. This is internally. Here's the external point, the external swing point here to here. So price is dancing in between. So it's internally, it's dancing in between. All right. So cheers, guys. This is just what I feel BTC may likely do in the short term. And if we do get to take profit too and get a change of character from here, definitely we should be expecting lower prices. Don't forget, tomorrow is also the FOMC meeting, 7 p.m. GMT. For those of you in Nigeria, you can go watch it out on YouTube. You can stream it live or watch it on your satellite or whatever means you have to watch all of these things, right? Good. So basically that's just what it is. And if we do start getting change of characters from this point here where we are at our take profit 2 on the lower time frame, like the 15 minutes, then there's a possibility that this will become a weak low. Let me just write that right here so you can understand better. This would become a weak low and it's going to be taken out. So we're going to be expecting lower prices if that so that will be a weak low and price is going to come down from here and smash this low and go down. So we should be expecting lower prices at about, let's say, I can't really say right now, but let me just go back to the daily so I see where our possible next target could be. It could be very deadly. It could be as low as 25k. Yeah, I think that was the local resistance that was broken with some high volume. So yeah, on the daily, our next resistance is looking like 25,200, and if we do break there, we should be looking at about 22,000 within that range, because that was actually the level that caused the upward movement for the BTC rally in the short term. So yeah, this is what I feel Bitcoin may do in the next coming hours. Tomorrow is FOMC, 7 p.m. Nigerian time. Cheers, guys. This is your guy, your real guy, MJ Crypto, and subscribe to the channel. Keep watching. Keep your fingers crossed and keep trading. Keep being profitable, guys. One love.